Alright, so here's a quick method to blowing up this statue with chews. What you want to do, face slightly toward the wall, but also toward the edge. Backwalk off the edge, or climb back up, hold Z while doing it. Now put away your sword, do 2 backflips, do a neutral roll, side hop to the left, slash the wall, do a spin attack, and then hold R while you're doing that. Now you'll be facing slightly to the right. And now pull a chew and shield it. Side hop right 3 times, then you can begin back walking toward the boss key. So here it is again without explanation. Thank you.